Most of the time, we don't know what we're doing out here, especially nowadays where country borders open and close on a dime. Currently, we're here in Antigua, and we recently found out that we could possibly enter the tiny Dutch island of St. Eustatius, aka Statia. And up until about a month ago, we didn't even know this place existed. Their ports are still closed, but with special permission, we've been cleared to enter. And since Statia considers Antigua a low-risk country, we are allowed to enter without a test and without needing to quarantine. Oh, and there's 0 cases of COVID there. We don't ever really know what to expect when we enter a new country, so that means we have to do all of the things we can get done before we leave, which means getting rid of our last bit of garbage, grabbing anything we may need from the marine shop, doing a last-minute grocery haul, and finally, checking out. Before setting sail into the night, there was one last thing Beau wanted to do, and that was to attach a downhaul to our head sail, so it would be easier and faster to bring the sail down.
Excited for our night sail. We haven't done one in how long? Since St. Lucia, right?
Coming to here. We overnight.
Oh yeah, we did a couple days, right? But
yeah.
It's been what, at least a month?
Yeah.
So it'll be nice because it's been clear. It's been somewhat calm out. So we may take a long time to get there. Right now we're only going not even 3 knots, but at least we have some wind. Our friends left a couple days ago and they had 0 wind when they left. They had to motor out for like a couple hours just to pick up a little bit of wind. So hopefully it'll pick up when we get out there and we can go a little bit faster. One thing about sailing at night, you really got to pay attention to these tankers because it's really hard to tell which way they're going. It helps that we have the AIS because we can at least get their bearing and have a general idea. That guy got a little close, but it wasn't that big of a deal.
It's just after midnight and I am taking over for Beau. Didn't sleep very much. Kind of went and laid down around 7:30 or so, but it never fails. It's always just as he wakes me up, I've just fallen asleep. He took the watch from about 7-ish until now, and I'll keep going until I'm ready, but now I'm pretty awake. It's just not very comfortable. But we're just now passing St. Kitts. I can see the city lights. But the stars are definitely outshining the city at the moment. The moon has gone, and I think we have about 35 miles left, nautical miles left, and we should be getting in just after dawn, hopefully. So that would be good. We'll have a little bit of light to go in on. But till now, for now, we'll just pop on a podcast. We are now arriving into the port, if you want to call it that. It's just kind of a bay that is surrounded by a bunch of tankers. I think we see our friends on One Life over here. I think that's them. We've been trying to call the harbor master to let them know we're anchoring.
Harbor control, harbor control, harbor control. This is sailing vessel Statia, requesting permission to anchor. No answer. They must still be sleeping.
So technically this port is closed, but you have permission if you can get it. And we did, since we're coming from Antigua, and it's a low risk country at the moment. So how'd you sleep?
Good.
I took over at 12 and he's been sleeping since then.
It's 5.
It's 6:30.
6:30.
We made really good time.
Yeah.
Seashore, Statia Harbor. Captain 2221 forward, 4,000.
Hi, harbor control. This is Statia, requesting permission to anchor.
Statia Harbor, Captain. What's your ETA time?
ETA is probably 5-10 minutes.
Copy that, Cap. You may proceed. Location is power standing by, channel 1416.
Alright, we can anchor.
It's the first time we've had that one. Seashore.
Sure. Putting out the swell bridle because it looks like it can get pretty nasty in here. The wind's coming from over the land, but the swell wraps all the way around because this island's not very big. And right now we got some steady rollers coming in. They're not too big, maybe 1.5 feet, but I bet they can get pretty big. So we're just gonna get prepared.
And every person that we talked to about coming to Statia said
it's super rolly. Yes. Oh boy.
we're gonna go check out the market.
Oh, perfect. Enjoy.
See you later.
See you, man.
One way
climbing up the steepest hill.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, true. This is what, called the Slave Road? Slave Path. It's the oldest road on Statia. And I think it's still original, isn't it?
Yes. From what the sign says.
But it's quite a workout. So Friday is the day of the week that everybody parties on Statia. First starts off with the farmer's market.
Which we have to walk about 45 minutes to get to.
Yeah, so we got a ways to go.
Wow, this is amazing. Totally not what we were expecting. But it's a whole entire farm. Oh, it's an herb garden. All right. Meet Marie. She's one of the beautiful, kind, gracious, smiling stations that we met here at the market. And she agreed to give us a little tour.
So what's your most popular crop? Like what do you guys grow the most here?
We grow the most here is string beans and eggplant, watermelon. Right now, season now is pumpkin. We have, and we do grow squash, spinach, pak choy, and lettuce. We also grow arugula. Yes, vegetable. Papayas, a lot. Yeah, we reaping sweet potato, cassava, and also replanting back fresh vegetables.
Oh, wow.
So round the clock, we were gonna have in vegetable. All of this here is pepper. Then you have eggplant here, more pepper. This is cherry tomatoes we have, and this is kale.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
The peppers do the best?
Yes, that's the bell peppers.
Okay.
Yes.
Is this meant to feed a lot of the island, or are you trying to
Yes.
just
Bell,
grow fresh here?
We have more than one farmers, and this is one farmer garden.
Okay.
So we do have people come in and buy a lot.
How many acres is this?
Exactly, really,
sure.
I don't know.
Pretty
how
big though,
much.
huh?
It's very
Yeah.
big. Yeah, I never thought about asking.
What is this growing here?
This is bitter melon.
Oh,
Bitter
okay.
melon.
Yeah.
Mm.
Or we call it Caraila, and Trinidadians call it Caraili.
Mm.
And the back row in the back there is Bora or Kosebon. We have
I've
that
never
taste
heard
like?
some of this stuff.
It's like string beans.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She's
Oh.
nice, you know, but
Yeah.
oh yeah. But she's nice. Oh boy. Oh, nice.
Oh, thank you.
This here I'm sharing with you guys.
Oh,
Local jelly coconut.
oh, it's jelly.
And I'm here sharing it with these wonderful people
Oh.
visiting Statia. And here is the smiling guy, Beau. Come on, come and take a drink. And then you're gonna share it with your wife. Oh, she giving you one too.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Oh,
now
wow.
everybody have their
Okay.
own coconut.
Cheers.
You understand? Cheers.
Thanks.
And this is for her. Oh, you're
Oh,
gonna
you can
share?
have one and we'll share that one. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful, nice. Oh.
Good.
Oh, it's fresh.
Lovely. I love it. It's very good for your kidney,
Oh.
your bladder,
Yeah.
and it clean it out. Ah,
How do you get,
wonderful.
how do I-
Put your mouth on it.
On the hole?
Right, on it, and you drink.
You think she would have done this once or twice?
No matter where you put it, it gonna just go.
okay.
It's just a local way to drink it, natural.
Yeah.
A natural way, right? You love it. It's nice.
It's so good. So refreshing. Yeah.
Yes. This.
Oh.
I call this the local saline.
Oh yeah.
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 My body. This
Yeah.
is no drugs.
Yeah.
This is real.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm getting it a nice moisturizer on my face too.
Yeah.
Let me get a spoon.
Got jelly?
A little.
Yeah, they kind of.
Do the spoon first. And he just gonna dip it in and eat it.
Spoon first, yeah. Okay.
Right.
So there's your spoon.
Uh-oh. No. She can't give you that one. She can't give you that one. She blowing it. Oh, you gonna blow the
good
people
for you.
thing. She can't blow it.
Awesome.
Oh my.
Yep.
Good meat.
Good meat. Yeah.
Good relish.
Yeah. Really good. Ooh, it's a little sour.
It's good.
It's good. I can't believe that this is the juice.
It kind of tastes like a plum.
A little bit. Yeah. Wow. It's really good. It's really good. You want to taste it? Not yet. Here. Hold on. Oh, yeah, it is sour. I just had coconut, so it's like, oh, it's really good. Though it's like,
really makes your whole face like.
yeah, like gets you back here. Yeah, that's really good though. It's like almost a candy substitute, like the sour candies, you know. It's really good. Here, love, try this. Sorrel.
Oh, yeah, we've had it.
Not the flour. We haven't.
Oh, we have. No? Yeah, it's super sour. Really sour. This is good though.
Really good.
Something you could like put in a trail mix or something, right?
Trail mix.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, you can make candy out of it.
Yeah.
Like a sour candy.
Met some really cool people at this little nursery farm.
Yep.
Nursery
Farm.
farm.
Agriculture Center.
And right next to it is another farmer's market where people are selling stuff. And what was his name? Mr. Hazel?
Mr. Hazel's tomatoes. We picked up some of those.
He grows these and picks them right off the vine. So they're super ripe.
We got cucumber. We got some Dutch cheese. What did you get on the other side?
Oh, I got pumpkin, squash, sorrel.
But
So
these are the one thing that I'm actually most excited about. Look how red this is. It smells so good.
try it out.
Ready? Oh my gosh.
Look how red it is on the inside.
That is really good.
You don't see that in the States.
Not unless you're growing them on your own. Oh man. That brings childhood memories back. My dad used to grow tomatoes
Super
like this.
Sweet. So good.
That sounded nice. Now back to the boat. Maybe we can do some diving. I'm still eating it.
Devour that thing, huh?
So good. Bang bang goes the halyards. Swish swish goes the wind. That's our sound. That's our song. Well, that feels better.
That's our halyard song.
That's our halyard song. You guys, today was amazing. All I have to say is that out of every single island we've ever been to, the people here in Statia have been so nice.
Everybody has been nice. Not one person's been mean or
No.
nasty or not waved or said hi.
I'm like, everybody waves from the car, honks their horn. It's just been so refreshing. Out of the entire anchorage, we are one of 2 boats here in Statia. The only visitors at the moment. Us and our friends Brooke and Gary off of One Life.
So word got around that we're new, so everybody's been just coming up and welcoming us.
Extra special, I guess. I don't know. It's just been so crazy. But right now, we are going to take advantage of this amazing, gorgeous day and get in the water. Because outside of the amazingness that's happening on land, we've heard in the water is even just as good. Even just as good. We'll see you in the water.
How's the beauty prepping coming?
Oh my god, the shower is so good. I'm
You
so
hungry?
So hungry. It smells so amazing. What are you making? Oh, it smells so good.
It's gonna be some bacon burger, open-faced bacon burgers.
With the tomatoes? With Mr. Hazel's tomatoes?
Yes.
And all the veggies, I see. Yum. Good, because I'm starving. I'll take 4 burgers.
You only get 2. Sorry.
That should work. This looks
tumbling
so
burger.
good. Oh no.
Can't wait to eat this.
Well, you guys, instead of making you watch us eat this delicious meal, we're gonna go ahead and say goodbye. See you next week.
And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars.